Now we're going to compute the area of the plane region using the definite integral. So you need also to know, for you to understand this one, you need to know how to evaluate definite integral. So, but let's continue. If f and g are continuous functions on the interval a, b, and f of x is greater than or equal to g of x for all x as an element of a and b, then the area of the region are bounded by y is equal to f of x, below by y is equal to g of x, and the vertical line x is equal to a and x is equals to b is this one. So find the area of the plane region bounded by the curves y is equals to x squared minus 2 and y is equals to x. So this is the application of this one. So for us to better understand, we're going to have an example. So first one, we're going to find the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equals to x squared minus 2 and y is equals to x. So thinking, dapat kung wala pa muna ito, so kapag wala pa ito, ang una mong gagawin is to find the intersection of these two graphs. So hanapin mo yung intersection. So alam mo, you did not think, for you to understand, ito yung intersection nila dalawa. So yung point kung saan sila tumama sa isa't isa. But erasing this in your memory, we're going to solve for the intersection. So ang gagawin mo lang, y is equals to x squared minus 2, y is equals to x. Just copy first the equation. So substitute mo lang yung one equation to the other equation. So halimbawa, y is equals to x. So ang y dito gawin mong x. So because y is equals to x, so in the first equation, y is equals to x squared minus 2. Second equation, y is equals to x. So ang y gawin mong x. So x squared minus 2. So 0 transpose x squared minus x minus 2. So this is standard form. So because this is trinomial, so factoring, let's use factoring. Negative 2 plus 1. So if you're going to check, I think this is correct. So x is equals to x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to positive 2. X plus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to negative 1. So the first is x is equals to 2, x is equals to negative 1. So we're going to solve for y. So y is equals to x. So if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2 kasi ang y daw is equal to x lang. So in here, y is also equal to negative 1. So kung negative 1, negative 1, so negative 1, negative 1. So this is the first point of intersection. So 2, 2. So 2, 2. Next. Ang susunod mong gagawin pagkakuha mo ng intersection is you're going to graph. So because you have the graph in here, but what you should do is you're going to graph. So ang una mong gagawin, point the intersection, write the intersection. So the first intersection is negative 1, negative 1, and the second intersection is 2, 2. So 2, 2. So, and then graph mo, yung y is equals to x, ito siya, y is equals to x. And then the graph y is equals to x minus 2. So this is y is equals to x minus 2. So this is a parabola because this is quadratic equation. So ito siya, ang hinahanap mong area is the area bounded by these two graphs. So ang area is nasa gitna nila. So ito yung may shaded, yun siyang hinahanap nating area. So we're going to get how wide is this. So what's the area for this one? So ang gagawin lang is this formula. So the area of the region is all equal to, so this starts from negative 1 until positive 2. So then it's from negative 1 to positive 2. And then, kukunin mo yung equation sa taas. So the first equation is yung sa taas. So the first equation is y is equal to x. So y equals to x, yung equal lang, and the right side lang. So it should be y is equal to blank, y is equals to blank. Tapos ang kopyahin mo lang is yung the right side. So x minus, itong sa baba, this is, sa baba, ang equation nito is x squared minus 2. Y is equals to x squared minus 2. So this is x squared minus 2 over, close dx. So again, unahin mo yung nasa taas, tapos yung sa baba. However, kailangan na y is equal to blank. Y is equal to blank. So y equals to x, so y is equals to x squared minus 2. So ang gagawin mo, finding evaluating the definite integral, so we're going to get the antiderivative of this one. So x squared over 2, x squared over 2 minus x squared, that's x cubed over 3 minus, or it's negative magiging positive na 2x. So from negative 1 to positive 2. So first substitute mo yung 2 squared over 2 minus 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 times 2 minus negative 1 squared over 2 minus negative 1 cubed over 3 plus 2 times negative 1. So if you're going to solve this, the answer is 2 minus 2 times 2, 4 divided by 2, 2 minus 8 over 3 plus 4 minus, this will become positive 1 half minus negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1 over 3 plus negative 2. So you could type this in the calculator, or you could solve this manually. The answer would be 9 over 2 square units. So the answer is 9 over 2 square units. So if you put this in the calculator, the answer is 9 over 2 square units. Ibig sabihin, ang area nito is 4.5 or 9 over 2 square units. For number 2, which is quite complicated, so find the area of the region bounded by the graphs of x is equals to y squared minus 4 and x minus 2y is equals to 1. So wala munang graph dapat, but I did put the graph so that it would be easier, so that the video would not be too long. So ang unang gagawin, it's substitute mo na x is equal to y squared minus 4. So tapos x minus 2y is equal to 1. So these are the two equations. Kunin mo muna yung intersection nila. So kailangan mong isolve si x. So isolve natin si x. So we're going to use this first. So y, isolve muna natin si y in terms of x for this equation. So negative 2y is equals to 1 minus x. I'll look for y. Divide both sides by negative 2, cancel, y is equals to 1 minus x over 2. So after that, we're going to substitute na dito sa first. So x is equals to y squared minus 4. X is equals to 1 minus x over negative 2 squared minus 4. So ilipat natin si negative 4, magiging positive 4 is equal to 1 minus x squared is 1 minus 2x plus x squared over positive 4. So multiply doon, cross multiply 4x. 4 times 4, 16 is equal to 1 minus 2x plus x squared. 0 would be, lipat mo lahat doon sa kabila, x squared, descending order yung exponent, or standard form, 2x, negative 2x, ilipat mo siya, magiging negative 4x, plus 1, this is plus 1, tapos ilipat mo, magiging negative 16. 0 now would be x squared minus 6x minus 15. So this is the trinomial. Let's try trial and error, but I think this is not applicable for trial and error because the factors of 15 is 15 times 1, so malayo sa 6, plus 3 times 5, malayo rin sa 6, malayo sa 6. So ang gagawin natin, probably this is not factorable, so what we're going to do is we're going to use quadratic equation. So quadratic formula pala. X is equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is a 1, b is negative 2, this is b, negative 6, b is negative 15, c, c. So a, b, c. So negative 6 plus minus negative 6 squared minus 4a, which is 1, c, which is negative 15 over 2 times negative, sorry, it's not negative, positive 1 plus a. So positive 6 plus minus 6 times 6, 36, minus 4 times 1 times 15, 4 times 15, it's 60. So 60. So 4 times 15 is 60 over 2. So 6 positive negative positive plus, sorry, 36 plus 60, it's 96 over 2. So there will be two answers, the positive 6, positive 96 over 2, and the negative 6 minus square root of 96 over 2. So first is 6 plus square root of 96 divided by 2, that's 7.89 or 7.90, and this one 6 minus the square root of 96 divided by 2, negative 1.99 and 90, because it's 1.89, so rounded off, negative 90. So we're just going to have this negative 90. So first one, and after that you're going to solve for y. So this is quite complicated. Y now would be, so let's have this kasi para mas madali ito. So 1 minus x over negative 2, 1 minus 7.90 over negative 2. So 1 minus 7.90 over negative 2, that's 69 over 20 or 3.45. And this one, y is equal to, so order pair pala dito, 7.90, 3.45. For this one, y is equal to 1 minus 190 over negative 2. So 1 minus negative 1.9 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 1.45. So this is negative 1.90, negative 1.45. So after this is we're going to graph. So plot muna natin 790.3.45. So 7.90, 3.45. So dito pala siya dapat sa 0.45. Sa taas na dapat pala. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So para 3 point, it's close. So this is again 3. This is 3.45, 7.90. Tapos dito naman it's negative 1.90, 1.45. So this is, so this is 1. This is the graph of yung line. So this is the graph of x minus 2y is equal to 1, yung line. Itong parabola naman is x is equals to y squared minus 4. So yung region is ganito. Next, if you notice, ditong region, di ba, in this one, ang nasa taas is x is equals to y squared minus 4. Nasa baba is x minus 2y is equal to 1. But for this side, galing dito, ang nasa taas ito, ang nasa baba ito rin siya. Yung nasa taas yung parabola, yung nasa baba is yung parabola rin. So, what we're going to do is we're going to divide the region by two sides. First one is this side, yung sa taas at sa kababa yung parabola, and this one naman is yung sa taas at sa kababa is parabola. So this is from negative 4 to 1.90. So this is 1.90, diba? So this is from negative 4 to negative 1.90, and this part is from negative 1.90 to 7.90. 90. So we're going to solve two areas for area of this region and the area of these two regions. So again, dalawang regions, tapos yung limits are from negative 4, kasi ito siya from negative 4 to negative 1.90, and the second region is from negative 1.90 to positive 7.90. So God bless to us. So we're just going to use this space. So what we're going to do first is, again, dapat y is equal to blank. So ang x is equal to y squared minus 4. So ilipat mo si y doon sa kabila, or si 4 na lang ilipat natin. So x is equals to plus 4 is equals to y squared, square root. So positive negative x plus 4 is equal to y. So ito, based on here, kasi positive negative, diba? And square root of a number is positive negative. So positive square x plus 4, negative square root of 4. Itong nasa taas ng x-axis, yan si positive square root of x plus 4. Ito namang sa baba, yan si negative x plus 4. So ibig sabihin, in this one, sa taas is si square root of x plus 4. Sa baba is the negative square root of x plus 4. So, for the other one, ito na yun siya. So, these are the two equations. So, first region. This is the first region. So, it's from negative 4 to negative 1.90. So, negative 4 to negative 1.90. So, ang yun sa taas, again, yung sa taas is si positive x plus 4, square root x plus 4, minus, yung sa baba is si negative. So, negative square root of x plus 4 dx is equal to negative 4, negative 1.90. So, ito siya, magiging plus. So, square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x plus 4 is dalawang square root of x plus 4 dx. So, you can have substitution, or you can have method 1. There are two methods. So, we're just going to have first. So, yung ganito na lang. Diretso na lang. So, 1/2. This is x plus 4 raised to the power of 1/2. Ang square root, diba, ibig sabihin yan is x plus 4 raised to the 1/2 plus, find the integral over 3 over 2. 1/2 plus 2 over 2 is 3 over 2 from negative 4 to negative 1.90. Next is, God bless to us. So, ito siya. Pwede mong ilipat itong sa baba ng fraction sa taas. So, i-times mo siya. So, kopyahin mo si 2. Tapos, kapag ilipat mo ito siya, 2. Tapos, mabaliktad na yung baba na si 3 na lang sa baba. So, x plus 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2, negative 4 to negative 1.90. So, 2 times 2, 4 third. Pwede natin ilabas ng 4/3 para mas madali. So, unahin natin si negative 1.90 plus 4 raised to the power of 3/2 minus negative 1.9, 4 na pala. Negative 4 plus 4 raised to the power of 3/2. So, negative 4 plus 4 raised to the power of 3/2. So, 4/3, 1.90, negative 1.90 plus 4, it's negative 1.90 plus 4, it's 2.1. So, 2.1 raised to the power of 3/2 minus negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So, 0 to the power of 3/2 is still 0. So, pwede mo na yung erase. So, ganito na lang natira. So, we can have the estimate. So, 2.1 raised to the power of 3 over 2 plus, or times 4 divide by 3. So the area is 4.0576. So 4.0576. So that's for the first region. So this is the area of this one is 4.06. So we're going to have now the second region for this one, which the upper limit, the lower limit is negative 1.90. Yung sa taas is 7.90. So for this one, so blurred. So it's from negative 1.90 to 7.90. So the upper is yung positive square root of 4. Ang sa lower is minus. Ang line is 1 minus x over negative 2 dx. So is equal to derivative of x plus 4 is x plus 4 raised to the power of 1/2 plus 2 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus this is equal to, so that it will be easier to understand. So this is equal to x plus 4 minus, kung hiwalayin natin to, that is negative 1/2. Tapos, this one is negative, negative, positive, x over 2. Hiniwalayin natin yung ito siya para mas madali siya. So, ang mangyari niyan, kasi negative, negative, magiging positive 1/2 x. So, the integral of this one is lagyan mo ng x. So, in the integral of this one, it's kasi i-times mo ito siya, nag-positive siya. I-times mo dito, nag-negative siya. So, negative x to the power of 2 over 2 times 2. So, x over 2, it's the integral is x to the 2, copy 2 times 2. The upper limit, the limits are negative 1.90 to 7.90. So, God bless to us talaga. So, ito, ilagay mo sa taas yung 2. Matira sa baba si 3. X plus 4 raised to the power of 3 halves plus 1/2 x minus x squared over 4 negative 1.90 to 7.90. So, we need bigger space. So, 7.90 una, 2/3 times 7.90 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 halves plus 1/2 times 7.90 minus 7.90 squared over 4 minus 2/3. This would become negative 1.90 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 halves plus 1/2. Ang x magiging negative 1.90 minus negative 1.90 squared over 4. So, ang taas. So, let's solve this directly in the calculator. 2/3 times 7.90 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 halves. 3 halves plus 1/2 times 7.90 minus, is that all? So yung first two lang muna. So, it's equal to minus, so the answer is 31.31 for the first two minus 7.90 squared over 4. It's 15.71 minus, let's have this 2/3 and 2/3 negative 1.90, negative 1.90 plus 4 close raised to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1/2 times negative 1.90 minus negative 1.90 squared over 4, so 1.98. So that's 1.98. So 15.71 minus 1.98, it's equal to 13.73. So the area for this one is 13.73. So area, the total area is equal to the area of region 1 and area of the first region, the second region. So the first region, the area of first region is 4.0576 plus the area of the second region is 13.73. So just add the two. That's the total area, which I hope is correct, is equal to 17.7876. So the total area is 17.76. Thank you.